In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Grammarly. Whether you're new to Grammarly or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process with ease, helping you to make the most out of this fantastic tool. Let's get started by heading to the Grammarly website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.grammarly.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll want to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, likely located in the top right corner of the web page. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking sign up. However, for those with existing accounts, let's go ahead and click on login. Type in your email address. This should be the email you used when you signed up for Grammarly. Enter your password, ensuring it's the correct one, and then click continue or hit enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Grammarly homepage. Once you're on your Grammarly dashboard, you'll notice several options available to you. For uploading a file, look for the section or button that says upload file. This is typically located on the main screen of your dashboard. Click on it and it will prompt you to select a file from your computer. This is where you navigate through your folders to find the document you wish to upload. It's important to note that Grammarly supports a variety of file formats, so whether it's a Word document, text file, or PDF, you should be able to upload it seamlessly. Select your file and click open or simply double click it. You'll notice that Grammarly starts processing your document almost immediately. Now before it dives into checking your document, Grammarly might prompt you to set some goals. These are designed to tailor the service to better understand the context and intent of your writing. You might see options to specify the audience type, formality level, and tone you are aiming for. Take a moment to set these goals according to your document's purpose, as they can significantly enhance Grammarly's suggestions. Once you've set your goals, click Done. Grammarly will begin analysing your text and providing you with insights on grammar, punctuation, style suggestions, and more. You can review these recommendations and apply them as you see fit. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded a file to Grammarly and can now benefit from its powerful editing features. Thank you for following along, and I hope this how-to guide helps streamline your writing process with Grammarly.